Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base Faucet website. You can claim your free BTC from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. You can claim every 5 minutes some Satoshi. Just put your Bitcoin wallet address, go to your deposit for your website, BTC website, and come here, paste it. Okay, and just click claim, and you can solve the captcha first. And this one is the okay, solve the captcha. Solve this captcha too. Okay, and display ad block. Okay, then reload. Just come here, just click it, ad block, and reload the page and solve it again, and you can earn your free BTC. Okay, without any seconds. Right now I reload the page. Okay, now you can see this one display me claim now. Just I click claim now, and you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucet pay. Okay, right now this website reload the page because of the ad blocks. Okay, I solve again. Okay, this one is a bass. Just click the bass, just click next, taxi. Okay, I click the yellow one, just verify, and just solve this little captcha too. Please wait and click claim now. Okay, you can see this website sent me my Satoshi and tell me wait for 5 minutes. Just I go to overview to show you this website sent me or not. Okay, this is the website send me this much Satoshi every 5 minutes, 1 Satoshi, because of the Bitcoin price right now is very high. If the Bitcoin price come down, this website pay you much more. Okay, this website link available in description. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos.